Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we begin, take one moment and subscribe to this channel because the information you are about to hear is not made for everyone. It is made for people who understand patience, history, struggle, and the quiet power of small things that most of the world ignores. This channel is for people who know that real value is often hiding in plain sight, that in your hand, this coin may feel ordinary. Light, small, easy to forget. Many people would spend it without a second thought, drop it in a drawer, or let it roll under a car seat. But for those who understand time, history, and the silent language of metal, this coin speaks very loudly. The 2018 Turkey 50 Kurus coin is not just currency. It is a witness. This coin was born in a year of pressure. Economic tension, political shifts, rising costs of living, and a generation caught between the old ways and a fast-changing world. Coins minted in such periods are never truly simple. They carry stress marks of their era, not always visible to the eye, but deeply embedded in their existence. Men who have lived long enough understand this. You don't judge value only by appearance. You judge it by context. The 50 Kurus denomination itself has a long and respected role in Turkish daily life. It sits between the smallest and the whole, often overlooked, often underestimated, but always necessary. The 2018 issue came at a moment when Turkey was redefining its economic identity. Inflation pressures, currency fluctuations, and global attention placed enormous weight on even the smallest unit of money. That weight matters. Look at the structure of the coin. The balance of metal, the firmness, the way it settles in the palm. This is not accidental. Minting standards reflect intention. Even subtle variations in strike quality, edge sharpness, and surface texture can separate a common example from something far more significant. Experienced hands notice these things instinctively, the same way an experienced man notices changes in the world without needing them explained. Coins like this are not made to impress immediately. They are made to endure. The design reflects continuity, authority, and national pride. It is calm, controlled, and confident. No há necessidade de declaração, no loud statements. That alone appeals to men who value substance over noise. Over time, circulation tells a story. Some of these coins traveled through thousands of hands. Others barely moved at all. A small number escaped heavy use, preserved by chance, awareness, or quiet intention. Those pieces begin to separate themselves from the mass. Rarity is not always about low mintage. Often, it is about survival. Collectors who focus only on age miss an important truth. Modern coins from critical years can become more desirable than much older pieces if the conditions align. 2018 is one of those years that future historians will not ignore. Monetary systems were under strain. Trust was being tested. Coins minted during such times gained symbolic weight. Men in their later years understand legacy. They understand that not everything valuable is loud or fast. Some value grows slowly, almost invisibly, until one day it is impossible to ignore. The 2018 Turkey 50 Kurus coin sits quietly in that category. Not because everyone agrees today, but because history has a habit of correcting the crowd. There are subtle differences within the same year. Strike clarity, alignment, decondition, storage environment. These details decide which coin remains ordinary and which steps into a different category altogether. Most people never look closely enough. That is why opportunity always belongs to the patient few. This coin also represents discipline. A nation maintaining its monetary structure during pressure sends a message. That message is captured in metal. Long after news headlines fade, coins remain. They do not argue. They do not explain. They simply exist as proof for viewers who have worked decades, built families, faced setbacks, and learned restraint. This kind of value makes sense. It is not speculative noise. It is slow, historical accumulation. The kind that rewards those who wait as years pass. Interest in transitional era coinage continues to rise. New collectors enter the market, but they look backward, searching for anchors. Coins like the 2018 Turkey 50 Kurus become reference points. Affordable once, ignored once, then gradually reassessed. Condition becomes king. Preservation becomes power. Knowledge becomes advantage. Those who recognize significance early are never rushed. They already know what they hold. This coin is not about quick profit. It is about recognition. Recognition of timing. Recognition of endurance. Recognition of the quiet strength found in overlooked places. And this is only the beginning of its story.